Ever wondered if WD-40 can give your car that perfect shine? WD-40 is a household name when it comes to fixing squeaks and preventing rust. But did you know it can also be a handy tool for your car? First up, let's talk about metal parts. WD-40 is excellent at protecting and restoring the shine of chrome trims, wheels, and other metal components. Just spray it on, wipe it off, and watch the magic happen. And if you live in a harsh winter region, WD-40 can be your undercarriage's best friend. Its corrosion-inhibiting properties help prevent rust and protect against road salt. A quick spray can go a long way. Now for those pesky, sticky residues and tar spots, WD-40 can come to the rescue. It's gentle enough to remove grease, tar, and adhesive without harming your car's paint. Just a little bit of WD-40 in a soft cloth, and you're good to go. Remember, while WD-40 has many uses, it's best to avoid using it on car paint for general purposes. Stick to specialized car care products for that perfect shine. So next time you're working on your car, grab your trusty WD-40 and see the difference it can make. It's not just for squeaky doors anymore. Who knew a can of WD-40 could be so versatile? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips. Keep your ride smooth and shiny with a little help from WD-40. WD-40 comes with a smart straw for precise application, making it easy to reach tight spots. Whether it's door hinges, engine parts, or battery terminals, WD-40 ensures smooth operation and protection. Always read the instructions for best results and enjoy the myriad benefits WD-40 offers for your car.